I want to use the GoPro. You're recording.
I know. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cast to Fly. Glad you could join me today. Hey, I got the boys with me today. We're gonna do some exploring today. We've had a lot of rain recently, and there's a couple waterfall areas that are usually dry most of the season, or throughout the year really. And with all the rain, we thought it'd be a great opportunity to come actually, see these falls running. So it's about a mile hike in, I think, something like that, mile and a half maybe. We're gonna capture our adventure today, share it with you guys, and we're kind of excited. So anyway, we'll catch up with you guys in a minute. We're getting geared up right now and getting ready to head out. Thanks.
Watch a snake go through Connor's leg and he's gonna jump and freak
Trust me,
out.
there is no snake out here right now.
But there's no snakes, or there is?
There is no snakes. It's too cold. Yeah, so anybody looking to make a trip out here, this is a pretty easy trail, and so far not so technical. So no big steep drop-offs or anything like that. It's pretty nice road actually, trail. As we get further down, we'll see if it changes, but right now it's pretty easy. We'll have to come down here in the spring, maybe after like a spring rain. It'd be cool down here to see it all greened up, Yeah. Kind of cool. I think we had 3 or 4 inches of rain, maybe, or more. Very cool down there. I can hear the water. Check that out. Cool, man. Big old rocks. Wow. There's supposed to be caves and stuff out here too. You ready, Connor? So we gonna get wet. All right. It's nice out here.
Besides the freezing cold.
It's only like 40 degrees. We could have came out here early this morning.
It's actually pretty
So
nice
cold.
out.
Yeah, it would have been like 30 degrees. Check this out down here, guys. Wow, that's cool down there. Check that out.
Yeah, you guys have the water.
do you think?
I like it.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Is there like a big waterfall? Like
40 foot.
40 feet?
Yeah.
I wish I would have brought my swimming trunks.
You're goofy. Water's moving pretty good. Should have a nice fall going on. Excited. Might not be like crystal clear water down there, but still gonna be cool to see the fall running. Excited. And I'm excited for the boys to see it.
Yo, it's
So.
a possum. Right
Huh?
there.
That is not a possum.
I know that.
That's an armadillo.
Hey, I'm gonna go hunt.
Check him out.
Dad, you go that way. I'm gonna go this way.
He gone. Do we plan on eating possum or armadillo tonight or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool down here. I lost the boys somewhere. Did you get lost?
No.
You're supposed to.
There's a ton of rose bushes.
Oh, yeah, I told you there's a bunch of thorns in there. Yeah, waterfalls coming out everywhere. There's another crossing.
Yes.
Take your time.
Oh, that's cold, boys. I'll wake you up in the morning.
Awesome. Wow. Check that up there. It's cool. Coming down the hill. It's awesome.
Waterfall, you can listen.
So we took a right at the off the main road, stayed to the which kind of went up uphill, and we decided to follow the creek bed. And you can tell that there's a path here that people have taken, so that's why I chose it. I'm assuming explorers before me know where they're going.
Oh, that'd be the hardest thing to find.
Cool. Wow. That's awesome, right? Woo. Someone's done a great job of flagging the trail. Just in case you're wondering what those pink flags are. Keeg, come on. It's not about being deep, it's about being swift. Small steps. You're not Bigfoot. Just take your time. Whoa. This is awesome, boys.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That goes way down there.
Woo. This is awesome. I think I found it. Wow. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Guys, this is awesome. This is awesome. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. Whoa. Wow. This is Kettle Falls. And she is falling. Woo! Guys, amazing. Woo. Amazing. All right, we're gonna go up top. Very dangerous, boys. Take your time. Be very careful, it's going to be slick with those leaves. I think we have to go around the corner, boys. I think there's a way to slip through there on this side. You're gonna have to pull yourself up.
Yeah, we can fit.
Hang on. Connor.
Yeah, that's the hole we came from. Don't tell mom.
Yeah, don't tell mom. Don't tell mom.
Are we going that way?
We got to go up. I got to say this again. Don't trust any rock. Don't trust any branch. Don't trust any tree.
Yeah.
3 points of contact at all times, if not 4.
What do you mean?
You understand me?
Yeah.
Test your footing first before you make any move.
I always do like that.
Have someone back you up behind you. Let me get up up there, Keegan.
Do I need to stay here up here now?
Yes.
This branch right here is safe.
So I don't think
For
that's
you.
safe. Let me hold that.
Connor, you're next. Stay away from the edge when you get up there, guys.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, I think I got it. Let's go up. It's pretty.
Mother.
Yep.
That was fun.
Yeah, a little technical climb, huh?
That was fun. I love climbing.
Nothing major. Woo! Stay away from the edge, boys. Stay on this little trail.
Stay away from the edge. That was fun. That's why I said play a float. Oh no.
This is the hole for the Kettle. That's why it's called Kettle Falls. But there's the hole. Stay away from the side. This rock is going to be slick. Okay,
We're gonna cross
slick rocks. Remember, don't jump like that. You'll bust. Trust me. Woo!
So why is it really just the trees and the water to the that? Oh no.
No, we're going out a different way. So cool. Where's where's Keegan at?
He's way down there.
Come on, Keeg. What'd you guys think of the falls?
I like it.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Pretty amazing. What'd you think of the falls?
Tired but fun.
Why are you standing all the way back there?
Because I catch my breath.
I like climbing up those rocks. That was fun.
So cool. So we decided to take the upper trail because we went down on the creek and then we went on top of Kettle, so I thought it made sense just to stay up, take our time going back and in an easy stroll. Woo! Woo! Get it out, Connor. Get it out.
You first.
Woo! I'm waiting. You can't even do it. Come on, dude. Get it out. Do it. You crazy kid. It ain't about screaming. All right, that's That's enough. We'll have
You're back to the hunters right now.
we'll have first responders out here in a minute if you. These boys think they know it all. Hell, I don't even know it all. It's been a good day though. Not stuck at home and playing video games and watching TV. Getting out. Stretch the lungs. Stretch the legs. And actually got these boys working together a little bit, which, as you know, brothers, most brothers anyway, fight and feud all the time. These two boys, man. Getting them out like this, though, where they're kind of working together, helping each other. It's kind of key. And I hope they remember this forever. And I hope they, when I'm gone, long gone, that they come back to this trail together as brothers.
Since the beginning.
You want to put that on YouTube?
No.
That just happened. Let's move. Sun's going down. Let's roll. The sun's going down. We don't want to be out here when the zombies come out. Let's go.
Zombies. Want to go before the zombies come?